Hey, hi guys, welcome to INSECTECHS. I'm Kiran Tirukovela and welcome to INSECTECHS. Welcome to INSECTECHS, and this is very important class, very important class, and you should not miss the class. But before attending this class, which is on the topic Nmap, you must revisit the class TCP three-way handshake, where you are going to learn a TCP header format over here. Under networking basics, TCP three-way handshake, you must retake the class once again before starting Nmap class. So what is Nmap? As you can see over here, Nmap is a network scanner created by Mr. Gordon Leon. So this guy is Mr. Gordon Leon. Pardon me if I am pronouncing the name in a wrong way. And this tool Nmap is used to discover live hosts and services running on a computer network by sending the packets and analyzing the responses. So we will use Wireshark to analyze the packets when we are actually working on Nmap. So we will discover the hosts and services running on the target network using the Nmap. It is very important tool. So let me go to the website nmap.org. Click over here, and as you can see, this is a website nmap.org. Download reference guide, book, docs, Nmap. It is GUI version of Nmap, that is graphical user interface version of Nmap. You can get the Nmap 7.94 version, and this is the latest version at the time of recording this video. And in the movies, let me click over here. Nmap in the movies, as you can see, it was featured in Matrix Reloaded, Oceanites, and Die Hard is one of my favorite movie in which Nmap was shown. Snowden, Dread, Fantastic Four, Who Am I, Bourne Ultimatum, and Die Hard 4. Okay, so this is one of my favorite movie. Hope one day I could make a film like this. I could direct a film like this. And by the way, I have acted in a movie, in a hacking based movie, as an evil hacker. That was a beautiful experience, and recently I got an offer to direct a movie, but was asked to show in a short film. I could not make a short film due to financial issues. If anyone want to donate to my project work on making a short or documentary film, you can contact me. That's my dream actually. Anyway, coming back to the topic, Nmap has featured in many films, as you can see over here. And let me get back to nmap.org. So you can read about Nmap over here, about its releases and so on. Nmap, a network mapper, is free and open source utility for network discovery and security auditing. Many system and network administrators also find it useful for tasks such as network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime. So you can read about Nmap over here. So basically it is a network mapper or a network scanner to find live hosts and services running on the live system. So as you can see, Nmap is flexible, powerful, portable, easy, free. It is an open source. If you come to Google search, as you can see, Nmap or a network mapper is an open source and free utility for network discovery and security auditing. Nmap is illegal in India? No. It is important to note Nmap should be used responsibly. Not only in India, wherever you are, you should use Nmap responsibly and with the legal and ethical boundaries of authorization and consent of the network owner in cybersecurity. Ignoring this can be illegal and may violate applicable laws and regulations. Okay, is Nmap illegal? No, actually it is legal because you are using for a security auditing and so on. So what are the main functions? Exploring, network exploration, host discovery, and security auditing. Why do hackers use Nmap? Nmap is a powerful tool for ethical hackers, so it is very important for you. So you must be an expert in using Nmap utility or Nmap tool for host discoveries, again, services vulnerabilities, and so on. So let me get back to the nmap.org website. So click on download button. And since I am using Windows computer, I'll click on Windows. And I have already downloaded the Nmap, as you can see over here, Nmap. In the later class, I'll teach you how to install GUI. You can install Nmap on Linux also. So let me start the installation process. If your operating system is Windows, under Microsoft Windows binaries, click on the latest release, Nmap 7.94 setup exe. npcap will be asked to install while you are installing Nmap, and npcap is architecture for packet capturing under Windows operating system. PCAP means packet capturing, and you have WinPCAP also. It is open source library for packet capturing and network analysis for Win32 platform. So as you can see under recent downloads, Nmap is already downloaded. So let me click on it for installation. Click. The installer has begun Nmap setup. This is the license agreement, and I hope you will read this. So I agree. And these are the components in Nmap. So choose the components that you want to install. So let me check online for new versions, and below you have some other components. And as you can see over here, Nmap is GUI frontend for Nmap. So let me enable it. Let me disable it because I will show you in the later class how to work on Nmap. Click next. Click install. Installation is going on. So let us wait. So this is a license agreement for NPCAP, which is 1.75 version setup. I agree and install. Installation is going on of NPCAP. After this, installation of Nmap continues. Installing NDIS filter driver, NPCAP driver. So NPCAP installation finished. Click next and now finish. So Nmap installation is now finished. So let me minimize the browser. Allow me to delete this Nmap installer, and let me open a run prompt. Type cmd and hit enter, and command prompt is open, and now just type nmap and hit enter. And as you can see, there is lot of options over here. As you can see over here, don't get scared after seeing lot of options. After Nmap classes, all these options will be on your fingertips, and you will be able to work on Nmap easily. And now let me type nmap --help, and you will get the same information. Let me see the version version. This is the version of Nmap 7.94. As you can see, platform Windows IE 686. Now let me go back to my Kali machine, and in Kali machine I'll show you how to install Nmap on your Linux based machines like Ubuntu. As you can see, now I'm on my Kali machine, and here type sudo apt update and update your system. Type your root password. So now type sudo apt install Nmap. So Nmap comes pre-installed in your Kali machines and other penetration testing distributions. This is only the demonstration. So if you hit enter, I think it should see that yes, Nmap is already installed the newest version. Okay, so this is how you install Nmap on your Windows and Linux based machines. So in the next class we will learn how to work with Nmap. So that's it in this class, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.